Welcome back. On today's video, we're recapping my decision to sell the stock of AppLovin, stock ticker APP, and this comes from my video on August 27th of 2024. So today is October 16th, 2024, and there's been a lot of changes in the market. And as I looked through my comments on my decision to sell the stock, I ran across this right here from this user, whoops. And that happened 10 days ago. Now, why would that person make that comment? Well, if we come into the AppLovin stock ticker and we go back for a 3-month history on MarketWatch's website, we can see that on August 27th, when I sold the stock, it was sitting around $90 a share. 10 days later, AppLovin had a parabolic move upwards to 123, and it actually ran up to $147 a share. I believe the insinuation here with whoops is I made a bad decision. So let's talk real quick about buying and selling stocks. And when you're buying and selling stocks, yes, of course you're trying to buy low, sell high. Are you trying to time the market though? And the sense that everyone that's a professional in the industry will tell you is no. And the honest reality is, of course you are. You're trying to get a good entry point and you're trying to get a good exit point, as they call it. But what you're also trying to do is make money. So if we take a look at a longer time frame than 3 months, let's take it out for a year. We can see that AppLovin was bouncing around the $36, $40 range. And when I sold it, it had just gone through a down position where it went from $86 a share down to $69 a share, and then it bumped back up to around $90 a share. So assuming that I held it for over a year, so it was a long-term capital gain, and honestly this one was in a retirement account so it didn't matter, but going from $30 a share to $90 a share, that's a 3 times movement. I tripled the money, and I don't feel bad about exiting that stock at all. Would it have been better to hold on to it and sell it at the very peak of the market here at $145, $147 a share where it peaked out? Of course it would be. But no one has a crystal ball. If it was that easy, traders would be making money hand over fist, when instead most professional market people struggle to outperform the S&P 500. Here's another way to look at it also. If you look at the stock just in the last day, there was a major downshift yesterday in the market. So the best thing that you can do in stocks is make the trades that you feel are appropriate. Balance your portfolio consistently so that you have that diversification. And if you exit a stock at a profit, don't feel bad about where the stock goes in the future. It may go up, it may go down, but you made money. You can take that money and move it into something else and hopefully continue to make money by balancing your portfolio and remaining diversified. So I hope that's helped. Do I regret selling the stock of AppLovin? No. I still have other shares of that stock. I still retain the bulk of my position, but I was able to make money on the trade and move that money into something else. In fact, right now I'm just holding it in reserves, because I think we're in a position where we may see a shift down in some stocks, and I want to have capital available to go in and buy those. So I hope this has been helpful. If it has, please give us a like. If you'd like more content like this, consider subscribing to the channel, and if you know someone this may help, please share the video. Thanks for being here. We'll see you on the next one.